Okay, so I've had a few questions on how to do this second part um, of your lab, and so from here, you should have figured out a velocity here. You did your velocity for low, medium, and high tension. We're going to use your speed for your medium right here. The next thing that it says to do is, so you're going to set this thing to oscillate. I'm going to pull this over here. So we're going to set this thing to oscillate. We have our fixed end. We have damping is none. We're at normal speed. And our tension is medium. Amplitude is 0.20. And then I've got my rulers and my timer on. So there's both of those things. Okay. So what it's asking you to do here is to determine the wavelength that will generate a second wavelength. So we're going to measure the string here. That string is, I said it was 7.6 centimeters. So if we want two wavelengths in that string, we would have to divide that by 2. So if I took 7.6 and I divide it by 2, I get down to 3.8. 3.8 is my wavelength. So my wavelength is my lambda. So lambda right here is 3.8. My V is whatever it is that this medium, your speed right here is. Okay. So I figured that that speed was about 3.04. Is what the speed was there. And then here what we'd have to do is take this lambda here, we're going to divide it from this side, and we're going to divide it from that side over there. So we would end up with our V divided by lambda equals F. So if I take my V of 3.08 and I divide it by my my V of 3.04 and I divide it by my lambda of 3.8, I come up with a frequency here, a frequency number, and my frequency number is 0.8. That's what I came up with. So I put that frequency in there of 0.8, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to test it out. So when I test this out here, I've got everything set the way I want it, so I just hit play. And we'll see what happens here. We're looking for standing waves, and we're looking for 2 standing waves. And lo and behold, we got 1, 2 standing waves. There it is right there. There it is right there. That's my standing wave. Okay? So you're going to do that same thing to figure out what the how to get 3, and you'll do the same thing. You'll draw a picture to get 5, and you can record what you think your frequency would be for that. Okay? So hopefully that will help you to be able to get through all of that.